Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make morning glowing skin juice. You will need 6 carrots, 10 ribs celery, 1 apple, half of the lemon, and about 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Alright, let's get started. The health benefits of carrots are particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. And celery contains vitamin C. And for celery juice is a natural anti-inflammatory, improve gut health, and lowering stress levels and brightening skin. Anyway, this is the vegetable that I cut into pieces for my slower juicer machine. Here is our juice, it's done. Look, this is how much you're gonna get for the juice, and this is how much the pulp is. It's a lot. It squeezes all the juice out and you got a lot of juice. And you're gonna pour in the cup. And you know what? The best way to drink this juice is 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, please click subscribe for more video in the future. Thank you.